So when you were starting out in 2017, right, when Polygon was starting out, how did you meet JD? Right? I've heard the lore that you first came across each other in a WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group, yeah.
Right?
It was called Bitcoin Mumbai,
Okay.
and I was the admin of the group. JD also joined the group, and they were very, like, people were mostly interested in trading and all that, and some people will lose, their money, like somebody will send their Bitcoin to a Litecoin address or
Right.
something, and then we because I had some technical background, so I tried to recover and help some people to recover their funds and all that. So I think from there JD must have seen that I know technical stuff, but then JD also saw my like Sanket, right? So
Right,
Sanket was also an admin with me, and
Right.
Sanket was very deep, like he's very research oriented and all that. So JD actually reached out to him that, bro, I am doing something, and he said, like, he was at that time going for an MBA. So he said, like, you should speak to Sandeep. He's also very technical and all that. JD came to me. At that time, JD was building, like it was called Dagger. Basically, it was a event receiving tool. So it was like some on-chain tool. And plus, like, JD at that time thought, because I was already fairly active in the crypto trading community and I had a decent portfolio. And JD originally thought that maybe I will be investing in as an investor or this thing. But I told JD that, I also have a software startup which is now building blockchain applications. I code myself.
Right.
So
Scope Fever, right?
Yeah. So we had like decent interaction, and then JD later on switched into Plasma. And when I saw Plasma, I said, like, okay, this is something where a business can build. Previously, with the Dagger, I was like not that interested, because I said, like, this will become commoditized, and which happened. Like later on, we only had to open source the Dagger and give it for free to people. So I said that like once I saw Plasma, because that by that time I had built few dApps, and I was already facing this problem, because some of the clients who were building, like, very consumer oriented applications, the gas fees was already going $5-10. I said that, blockchains are going to need this low fees environments. So when I saw that JD is switching into Plasma, it was very clear to me that, this is something. And I said that, okay, let's meet and see if something can be done together, because I was already getting bored on, like, my other business was doing very well, by the way. Like, I was making, from my standards, like, making pretty good money.
Yeah.
Like, from the background where I was coming from. And then like, but I wanted to build a product. I was like, I want to go onto the product side. So anyways, looking out for people whom I can join hands, who are more technical than me, and then can build the product, and then maybe I am more techno functional.